how to add more pages on GoDaddy website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add more pages in the addition of the homepage and all the pages that you have created into your first GoDaddy website and how easy it is. So we are going to head over GoDaddy.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to visit our dashboard by clicking on the account and choosing my products. Once you have did that, we're going to see all the websites that we have created. Select one of them. I'm going to select maybe this one and wait for a few seconds until it is going to be loading like that. Now, what we're going to do is to see at the right side of the screen, this specific area, click on edit website and it is going to open up or uh, give us the access to the specific website builder. Now, what are we going to do basically is to take a look or focus on the right side of the screen, which is going to be the control panel. Here on the site navigation, it is going to contain all the pages that we have. We have at least here 3 pages: the home page, coming soon page, terms and condition page. How we can make sure that these are going to be pages, we are going to see that we have a page or a piece of paper, which is going to be representing the page. How we can add more pages, you're going to click on the plus, and from these items, you're going to have here a lot of items. Click on new page. As you can see, here we have the premium, as you can see, with a diamond logo on the specific area. That means it is going to be not for free. You need to pay up the subscription for a premium plan, and then you are going to have the right to add more pages. So you need to click on upgrade now, and then you're going to have to see the plans. Choose up what is going to be the best plan for you. We're going to have here some plans: build monthly or yearly. Basically, you're going to have the yearly ones because you're going to get this specific, as you can see, a promotion or a discount going on. Then you can go ahead and add a new page as much as you want. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. I hope to see you soon on the next one.